Joseph, we forgot to tell them how much the rent is.
The rent for this place is...
Hello out there world, my name's Chris. I'm retired and working for you, and I'm thinking a lot about my return to Thailand. I got an update on that at the end of the video, so stick around to the end and you'll hear all about that. For now, I'm still in Toronto. You can tell because I got a Timmy's coffee in my hand and I got the big CN Tower behind me. Today I thought it'd be fun to do some real estate tours. You know, I like to tour you around condos and houses in Bangkok and Thailand. I love to see what places are available, how much it costs. I have a feeling that it's gonna be a little more expensive than in Thailand, but to tour us through, I got a special guest, so why don't we go meet him? Oh, there he is.
Hi, Chris. How are you?
This is the special guest I was talking about. Can you introduce yourself?
My name's Joseph. I'm a realtor and broker at Prompton Real Estate. We're a boutique brokerage in downtown Toronto. We service all of the GTA, the Greater Toronto area.
So we're going to look at some condos today?
Yeah, definitely. We're going to try to convince you to buy something maybe.
I got to get back to Thailand. I don't know if I'm going to be buying anything. Now he gets it. The important thing is look at this. Look at what Joseph's wearing today.
Have to represent.
A man after my own heart. Joseph furnished us with a flat white, so I'm putting away the Timmys and going to my beloved flat white, and Haley got set up.
Flat white and plain croissant. Jackpot for me.
She's happy. Let's go see some condos, Haley. The city of Toronto has seen 20 straight years of crazy condo development with new buildings popping up seemingly every week. We're gonna tour through a few of these units. We're gonna see what they're like, and we're gonna see how the prices compare to Bangkok. All right, Joseph, tell us about this unit.
So this is at 11 Brunel Court, unit 2907. It's a one and a den with locker and parking, one bathroom as well. It's got a great view of the CN Tower and the water, around 650 square feet roughly, and the price.
Okay, I got to reverse engineer this one. 600, so about 60 square meters.
Yeah, roughly 60 square
for those in Thailand.
Definitely, and and great amenities that we can take a look at as well. And this unit, we'll wait for the price later.
Yeah, before we tell them the price, can you tell them a little bit about the neighborhood? Let's magically transport down to the street and tell them about the neighborhood.
So we're in the City Place neighborhood of Toronto, which is on Fort York and Spadina. And it's a number of condo buildings, offices, a supermarket, banks, and this newly built community center with schools, public and Catholic school.
Yeah, convenient neighborhood, but I think everyone's wondering the price, Joseph.
So the asking price is $705,000. Don't ask me.
That's Canadian dollars. I'll put up a translation into Thai baht.
And if you're looking to rent this place, it would be roughly about $2,200.
Is there maintenance fees here in Toronto?
When you buy it, yes, there is maintenance fees, which is $475
a month. And when you rent it, that's included in the rent.
Yeah, the maintenance is included. However, you do have to pay renter's insurance. You've got to pay your own hydro.
All right, well, let's head to the next place, and I do have a question for you. For the question, I thought I'd come down here. We're right on the waterfront. It's beautiful down here. Is that Toronto Island behind us?
Yeah, back there is the Toronto Island. You can take a water taxi from here to head over there.
All right, so Joseph, the question I did have is, in Bangkok, everything comes furnished. What about here in Toronto? How does that work when you buy or rent?
So most of the furniture in these units are staged. So the whole unit is staged. It's just rented. So you do not come, it does not come with furnished.
What about appliances? Washer, dryer, fridge, stove, that sort of stuff?
Yeah, the appliances are included.
Okay.
The washer, dryer, etc. But the actual couch and bed, etc., that's all, up to you to decide how you'd like to furnish it.
Okay, let's go look at the next place, which is right across the street.
So we're at the waterfront neighborhood right now, and we're at the Aqua Condos, unit 602. And it's got a stunning view, recently renovated kitchen. It is a larger unit, it's 675 square feet. Maintenance is $742.
Yep.
And
what about bedrooms, bathroom square footage?
Sure, it's a 1-bedroom, inlet bedroom with 1 bath. Comes with locker and parking, and as square foot is 675 square feet.
I don't even know what it. I don't watch YouTube very often.
Okay.
But I saw it. I heard your voice. I'm like, what's this guy doing?
Have we just met a subscriber on a balcony in downtown Toronto? This is wild.
Amazing.
So Joseph, moment of truth, how much for this one?
So this one is asking for $680. When for rental, it's roughly $2,100 a month.
The parking in the lockers, that's included in the purchase price?
Yeah, the parking and locker is included for either the purchase or the rental price that I quoted.
Oh wow, okay, yeah, that's awesome, because parking downtown Toronto, I've learned, it's a pretty hot commodity. The place I'm renting on Airbnb didn't include it, and I think I'm spending $25 a day to park.
Yeah, most condos are on a daily basis 25 or like $200 to $300 a month to rent a parking spot.
Well, let's continue on. Okay, now we know he's Condo Joe. We gotta drive to the next one?
Yeah, we gotta drive to the next one.
This third condo, we're in the west end of Toronto now. We're on Sudbury Street, and it's a different setup. It's not so much a high-rise. Things start to calm down a little out here, a little less New York, and a little more Brooklyn. This is a courtyard-style unit. I feel like we've left Toronto and we're in a New York loft here, Joseph. Tell me about this one.
So this loft condo is at 150 Sudbury, and it's on the west side of Toronto. So 1-bedroom plus actually, it's a 2-bedroom, and about 650 square feet.
Okay, great. Let me show them through. What does this one go for?
So the price is $630,000. They're asking.
$630.
And the rent's $2,100 a month, roughly.
Okay, so
parking.
is this? Are we, now that we've gotten outside the downtown core, do prices start to drop?
Yeah, the prices are a little bit lower over here as well. Rents are also, you're actually getting 2 bedrooms over here versus over there, 1 and a den, a 1-bedroom for the same amount of price.
Bonus unit. Joseph, where have you brought us?
So this is in Church in Carlton. It's 403 Church, and it is priced for $700,000.
Joseph starts with the price. He doesn't keep you waiting. He gives you all the details. What's the key stats on this place?
So it is 440 square feet, and it is a 1-bedroom with 1 bathroom, and it comes with parking and locker.
Okay, and the price again was?
$700,000.
Maintenance fees?
Maintenance is about $400 a month.
Okay, and taxes on a place like this?
$2,400.
Yeah, a lot of taxes in Canada, taxes everywhere.
The view is also priceless.
And it's like a double wide unit. It's different than most condos I've been in.
Yeah, this is a very new building.
Oh, check this out.
Wow! Look at this balcony. It's so big. Like you can have.
You could run laps, run a lap. Look how big Haley's gonna run laps to show us how big this balcony is. Joseph, we forgot to tell them how much the rent is.
The rent for this place is about $2,200.
And I got one last question for you, Joseph. It has nothing to do with real estate, but Joseph is an illustrious member of my board of directors. I'll leave a link if you want to learn more about that, but Joseph, I want to know why you joined the board of directors.
It's the sabai lifestyle of Thailand, and I just love the country. And you know, Chris does so much good with his channel. I just want to be, you know, a small part of it.
And if anyone wants to buy or rent a condo here in Toronto, I'll leave contact information and he'll hook you up. And by the way, I'm going to end the video. That's the grand old lady in the background, Maple Leaf Gardens. The beloved Maple Leafs have lost a lot of games in there, but they also won a few.
Gilmore back in the net. Andrechuk in front with Borshevsky. It is Gilmore waiting around the net, waiting. He's open. Gilmore!
Oh yeah, I promised you at the beginning of the video to give you an update on when Haley and I are heading back to Thailand. Well, there's big news on that. And so the answer is that we've decided, and we're going back to Thailand on